Hi, my name is Angela Norris, and I sing for a hobby, and I would like to turn that hobby into a career, so please vote for me. There are times I find it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times, and every child that reaches out for someone to hold, for one moment they become my own. So how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second of every minute another soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see, oh yeah, an end to hopelessness or giving up or suffering. If we all stand together this one time, then no one will get left behind. Stand up for love, stand up